Hey guys, it's Talia and it's Theodore and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to be filming our BarKBox for July month. We are... Theodore, don't do the front of the camera. You gotta be excited for your BarKBox. He's a little tired. Yes, indeed. Boxing all the treats and everything that Theodore received, right Theodore? Theodore? Theodore! Why do you keep staring at over there? There's a picture of you. If you guys want to see what we got for July's month, just keep on watching. So we're going to be opening our little BarKBox. And the theme for this July BarKBox is hairy metal. So cute. Looks very rock and roll. So this is what it looks like, the theme. And I think it's pretty cute. On the back, it's like all type of dogs rocking their wigs and hats. This is so cute. Do little tours for the doggies, one of the world tour for them, and the dates and what they're doing on that specific day. And dive in with our little goodies that we got in the BarKBox. First thing we got is this little guitar, you know, it's Master of Puppies guitar. That's so cute. And then I guess he puts it on and like pretends that he's playing the guitar. Let me do a little demonstration for y'all. He wasn't too happy when I put this on. I think that's how you put it on for him, like he plays a guitar. But yeah, look at this. Oh, you look so cute, dear. This is Theodore, ready to play the guitar, ready to go on a tour, right Theodore? So it looks like we got this hairy metal, oh, so it's like a desk, this keep band together. Oh, that's so cute. So on the back, it says, stay by your dog's side while they rip into their hairy metal BarKBox. Supervise play equals safe play. You know your dog, so you know when they're biting off more than they can chew. Treats for eating. If your dog kind of like destroy the toys, make sure you toss it away. It's like a little disc. That's so cute. This is what it looks like. It looks like a disc. It tells the bark. Also got is Rockstar Breakfast, and this is flavor bacon powder dog treats. It's made in the USA. Dog treats. This is wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free, which is good. All natural and grain-free and 100% mouth-watering. So it's more like a breakfast for the rock stars. You know, they eat this and they're ready for breakfast. You know, I got this. All right, Theodore. Bacon. Smells a little strong. Let's see. He likes it. Rockstar breakfast bacon. You like your Rockstar bacon? Theodore's very, very picky. I have to break it into pieces or he won't eat it. If I give it to him like this, he will not eat it. He is so picky. Oh, you like it? Really likes the Rockstar breakfast bacon. He's so obsessed with it. The next toy that he received is this little drums. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is the Squeak and Destroy drums. So this is what it looks like. This is so cute. Do you like your toy, Theodore? Do you like it? Like, yeah? So far he received 2 toys. And the next treats that he got is School of Croc. So this is what the back looks like. And this is alligator and powder dog treats. I'm guessing this is alligator treats. Are you gonna be eating alligator, Theodore? No, right? Wheat free, soy free, corn free, grain free. So let's try this out and see if he likes it. Okay, so it's shaped a little guitar. Whoa. The smell is not the best. Oh no. No, no, no. No bueno. He didn't like it either. Yeah, they did a little bit too much on this. It's so strong and it smells... Woo. It smells gross. Yeah, he don't like it either. He's all like, nah, Mom, I'm not eating that. This smells gross. And then, yeah, we'll pass on that. Okay, so the last treat he received is this Yum Solo Drums. This is duck recipe made in USA, and this is ingredients: duck, pea flour, chickpeas, coconut, and potato flour. A drumstick. It's pretty big and it smells weird. So I got a little piece out of this. See if he likes it. Oh, he's such a cute boy. He likes it. Wow, he likes this drumstick. 5. Good boy. He likes the drumstick. He likes the bacon breakfast. But the alligator treats, he didn't like that. Give me 5. Good boy. Oh, yes, Theodore, yes. So that was it for his July BarKBox. Do you like your July BarKBox, Theodore? Really hope that you guys enjoy this video. That's all for July's BarKBox. Seems like Theodore really like his treats and his toys. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. I'll link it down below. You can go check his page out and follow him. I really hope that you guys enjoy our video, and we'll see you guys on the next BarKBox. Bye guys.